Starting around the 1st of May 2023, especially Spell Pretty token generally is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.2% in fundamentally most recent 60 minutes. Spell fundamentally has an extremely complete market cap of $71,728,246 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,120,181 in an unpretentious manner. This basically makes essentially Spell especially token genuinely positioning at 322 in the digital money market, which truly is very huge. On the off chance that you by and large are a crypto financial backer and considering what for the most part is the Spell genuinely token cost expectation end of 2023, what will for the most part Spell essentially token fundamentally be somewhat worth in 2023? Is for the most part Spell in every practical sense token a generally excellent speculation or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023? Will Spell cost truly outperform its unequaled high? These are in a real sense Spell especially token cost expectations for Spell's future, which essentially is very huge. Spell sort of token value forecast 2023, which by and large is genuinely critical, as per the Spell truly token gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Spell cost in every practical sense is supposed to commonly cross a kind of normal value level of $0. The normal kind of least value worth of explicitly Spell commonly token toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to be $0, a fundamentally huge manner. Besides, Spell can truly arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $0, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Spell especially token value figure May 2023, the sort of normal cost of sort of Spell certainly token could commonly go to $0 the finish of May 2023 in a really significant manner. Spell could generally be exchanging around an especially greatest worth of $0, the sort of least expected cost of $0. Spell value gauge June 2023. In June 2023, the cost of for the most part Spell kind of symbolic sort of is estimated to explicitly be at around and in every way that really matters, least worth of $0. The Spell pretty symbolic value worth can especially arrive at a very limit of $0, the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $0 USD in an unobtrusive way. Spell genuinely token value expectation July 2023. The cost for in a real sense Spell pretty token in July 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0, or so they certainly thought, while the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to be around $0, which truly is very critical. Spell commonly token value gauge August 2023, the sort of normal cost of generally Spell really token could go to $0 the finish of August 2023, which basically is genuinely huge. Spell could generally be exchanging around a sort of greatest worth of $0, the base expected cost of $0, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Spell extremely token value expectation September 2023. For the most part, Spell sort of token cost for the most part is supposed to truly reach between $0 September 2023, while the exceptionally normal cost of basically Spell for the September by and large stay around $0. Spell sort of token value gauge October 2023. The Spell genuinely token cost for October 2023 may arrive at least worth of $0. The greatest launch cost essentially is around $0, which especially is genuinely critical. The exceptionally normal cost for the most part Spell basically is explicitly anticipated to essentially reach $0 October 2023, which truly is genuinely critical. Spell genuinely token value expectation November 2023. The cost of sort of Spell genuinely token is anticipated to by and large reach at a really least worth of $0 November 2023 in a sort of enormous way. The Spell cost could generally arrive at an exceptionally greatest worth of $0, the especially normal exchanging worth of $0 through 2023 in a very huge manner. Spell token value figure December 2023. The genuinely normal cost of really Spell in every practical sense token could essentially go to $0 the finish of December 2023 in an especially large manner. Spell could really be exchanging around a greatest worth of $0, the kind of least expected cost of $0, which sort of is very huge. Spell token past value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto basically has been diminished by 2.08% in its essentially current worth in a truly significant manner. On the off chance that we in every practical sense look at the exceptionally current market cap of the Spell with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap is likewise down in a for the most part enormous manner. Spell essentially token certainly is confronting a very difficult time jumping aboard with commonly other crypto coins in an unobtrusive manner. The Spell for the most part is down to nearly 1.96% over the most recent 7 days, in every way that really matters, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The coin truly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for fundamentally past truly couple of days. The coin could basically areas of strength for have, however. We don't believe that it would a beneficial resource in every practical sense, present moment, in spite of mainstream thinking. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of certainly spell commonly diminished by 19.120%, taking out an astounding commonly normal amount of $0 its by and large current worth in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down for the most part implies that the coin essentially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a kind of great generally purchase and open door for truly fast venture. The 90 days cost change by and large is around 9.05%, and the cost basically circled from a truly least essentially normal cost of $0 most extreme by and large normal cost of $0 the beyond 90 days, which is genuinely huge. In absolute most recent 4 months really spell extremely token all things considered, has shown a developing pattern. Hence, we in every practical sense imagine that comparable pieces of the market were very famous at that period, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of sort of spell pretty token really is expanded from 4 months, which in a real sense is very huge. The exchanging volume is an imperative job in its cost, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The coin basically is up by 19.05% with the most extreme typical cost of the coin explicitly was around $0. The especially least sort of typical cost of especially was around $0 beyond 4 months. Genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Spell certainly token value estimate 2023 FAQs. What will for the most part be for the most part spell certainly token by and large worth in 2023 in a kind of huge manner. The spell value sort of is estimated to generally arrive at a really most extreme degree of $0 genuinely least cost of $0 the finish of 2023 in a significant manner. Spells token explicitly have a future in an unpretentious manner. Concerning cost, for the most part spell sort of token by and large has a remarkable fundamentally potential to arrive at new levels in a real sense. It sort of is gauged that sort of spell will increment in esteem, or so they explicitly thought, as per pretty unambiguous specialists and business experts. Really spell truly token can raise a ruckus around town. The greatest cost of 2 cents till 2030, which fundamentally is very critical. Is spell kind of symbolic kind of worth purchasing in 2023, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Spell token, S incentive generally is supposed to keep on growing, as deficiency will in general energize cost rise, which most certainly is very critical, if it's not too much trouble. Note, there truly is a gamble to any interest in an unobtrusive manner. Just basically put resources into what you can basically achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions and lead the really greatest examination conceivable, in opposition to mainstream thinking.